Hi guys, this is Marinel Flores, your sales consultant here at Mitsubishi Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila.
For today's video, price update tayo ngayong April 2025 sa ating Montero Sport GLS Automatic na White Diamond. So ang SRP nito is 1,899,000 at ang kanyang 20% down payment guys is 105,000 at ang kanyang monthly for 5 years for BDO and BPI approval is 39,312 and for the other banks is 38,748. Ang promo niya guys is naka-free 1 month amortization pa rin siya. Take note guys, additional 15,000 tayo sa white diamond color. So ang SRP niya pag white diamond is 1,914,000. Sa standard freebies natin, ganun pa rin, may free 1 year comprehensive insurance only on financing and free 3 years LTO registration, 3 years warranty or 1,000 km whichever comes first. Up to 20,000 km pre-PMS labor excluded the engine oil and other parts of your purchase unit, tint, matting, emergency warning device, tools and jack, and 3 years factory rust proof. Once you avail this Montero Sport on financing for 20 or 30%, pwede natin siyang i-upgrade for Black Series looks. So, ipa-flash ko na rin sa screen ang mga freebies na pwede nyong makuha once you avail in financing. For cash transaction, itong ating Montero Sport GLS, sa SRP niya is 1,899,000, plus TPL na 1,691, at ang cash discount niya is 120,000, at ang total cash out is 1,780,691. So, kahit cash, may makukuha pa rin tayong mga freebies. So, free Thailand rain visor, Mitsubishi keychain, Mitsubishi umbrella, HD dashcam, at saka Montero Sport hood emblem.
Ayan guys, itong Montero Sport GLS is yung steering niya is naka tilt and telescopic na rin siya. So, yan, tignan nyo guys. So, pwede nyo siyang hilahin, depende sa gusto nyong pwesto ng manibela nyo. Pwede nyo rin naman siyang iatras. At saka pwede nyo rin siyang iangat. At pwede nyo rin siyang ibabangon. So, para ilock natin to, itaas nyo lang yung ayun, magiging komportable pag mamaneho natin. So, kung gusto nyo naman ibalik sa dati, gusto nyo lang ganyan, tapos lock nyo lang ulit. Ito naman sa seat natin, meron siyang naka 8-way electronic adjust seat na rin siya. So, dito sa leg, pwede siyang iangat. Kung napapansin nyo, ayan, maangat siya. Yung legs ko. So, pwede nyo rin naman siyang ibaba. So, dito naman sa likod, para mas maging komportable na. Kung hindi ka rin komportable sa upo mo, pwede mo siyang i-atras ng ganyan. Ay, abante ng ganyan. So, pag atras, yan. So, napaka-convenient na tong GLS automatic. Dahil, komportable yung pagmamaneho natin. Lalo na kung mahabang biyahe.
And for the steering wheel, for all the variants ng ating Montero Sport, is naka 3-spoke leather wrap na siya, equipped with a hands-free switch, multimedia controls, and cruise controls. For the smartphone link display or SDA, same siya sa Black Series 4-wheel drive at 2-wheel drive. So the SDA will be supporting this new feature, navigation information, turn-by-turn symbol display, audio information or song name, telephone information, caller, name, and number. For the performance ng kanyang transmission, naka 8-speed automatic with sports mode na rin siya, same with the Black Series 4-wheel drive at 2-wheel drive. It provides a smoother upshifting with less shift shocks because the gear ratios are close to each other. It also has a sports mode where the driver can shift manually without the use of the clutch for more sporty and aggressive driving. This is convenient dahil may mga saksakan na rin siya for charger. So for the seat material, as you can see, naka-black leather seat na rin siya. So it does not absorb moisture easily, cool to touch and feel, and easy to clean, and protects the cushion of the seats.
So, dito naman sa passenger seat, kung napapansin nyo, napakaluwag ng kanyang legroom. At yung headroom din niya is mataas. Ito. Ayan. So, kung malalaki yung angkas natin, kasyang-kasya tayo dito. Ayan na yung legroom natin. Ito guys, na center console box. So, ayan. Meron siyang cup holder dito. So, napaka-convenient talaga gamitin. So, ayun. So, guys, itong ating GLS automatic. Yung kanyang seat material is naka-leather seat na siya.
Same with the Black Series 4-wheel and 2-wheel drive. Naka-power outlet na rin siya. You can charge the device like laptops, tablet, mobile phones, and other light electronic devices. So kung nagustuhan mo ang Montero Sport GLS, kung isa kang OFW, ang mga requirements is 2 government-issued IDs, proof of billing, latest contract, proof of remittance, and for employed is 2 government-issued IDs, proof of billing, latest certificate of employment, ITR 2316 and 3 months payslip. For self-employed, 2 government-issued IDs, proof of billing, DTI permit, ITR, and bank statement. So, ano pang hinihintay mo? Alam ko na isa ka din sa nangangarap na magkaroon ng Montero Sport. Huwag mahihiyang magtanong dahil pwede niyo po akong i-message sa aking Viber and WhatsApp na naka-flash sa screen na 0939-530-1720 at pwede niyo po akong bisitahin dito sa aming branch dito lang sa Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila.